What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I feel like it's getting hot in here. Is it? Because we're about to take a bunch of win streaks. Yeah, that's right, guys. In this video, we're going to be taking people's win streaks in animal rivals. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. And so in order to take a win streak, we have to, the person has to have a 5 streak or higher. So it can't be just like 1 and I obliterate their streak. It's like 2, 3, or 4. It's not really any good. If there's a 5 or higher, I can go against them and take their win streak. And thank you, Cooper, for giving me this idea. Alright, so let's get into it. Okay, 1v1. So number 1. I didn't record it on accident, but this guy, there's the green dude on the other team, has a 6 win streak. Okay, I'm getting shot at. See, 5 win streak. Has a 6 win streak.
There's double teamers. One behind you. Sam and D going sniper.
See, this guy had a 6 win streak.
So guys, I had a dream that I had 2 holes in my head. So now I'm touching them. hard move. This guy might be cooking.
See, 15, 16. So this guy has a 5-win streak. Alright, thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. Sorry for the short video. This was just a really hard video of getting win streaks. This was just a really hard video finding people with high win streaks and beating them. And yeah, so at least I got through it. I'm sorry for the short video. I'm trying to keep my long form videos at least 10 minutes long. I'm sorry, but this might have to be like a 5 to 9 minute video because I only played 4 matches that I won. Anyways, make sure to smash like, smash subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Once again, sorry for the short video, but this was a really hard video to record. There was not many people with high win streaks who wanted to go against me. Once again, I am so sorry for this literally 7-minute video.